An increase in the concentration of the reactants of a reaction leads to change in. You are increasing the concentration of the reactants of a reaction. What can change when that happens? Heat of reaction, threshold energy, collision frequency, activation energy. Heat of reaction is not affected. It is delta H or enthalpy change. That is the difference in energy levels of the reactants and products. Next one is threshold energy. It is the minimum energy the reactant molecule should have to undergo successful collision. That also is not affected by increasing the concentration. Collision frequency, that means how often the reacting molecules collide in a given time interval. See, when the concentration of reactants is increased, there are more reactant particles or reactants per unit volume. That leads to an increased number of collisions per unit time. Thus, what will happen? That will raise the collision frequency. So, collision frequency is the factor which is increased when you increase the concentration of the reactants. Next choice given is activation energy. It is the minimum energy barrier that must be overcome for reactants to form products. So that is mostly dependent on nature of the reactants and the reaction pathway. So collision frequency is the correct option.